The big victim of goodness, the seagull has been flying for about 5 world reach on the suburbs of the capital of Lu. The market's owner of the area has been watching for the bird for a long time. When he saw her arrive, he worked hard to entertain her and welcome her to temple. He had been choosing the best music and the food when she arrives. The bear was standing and sat and the bear and the bean stirring food for 2 hours, no stating, might whirlwind. 3 days later he did. The market Delu had been planning has arrived and had entertained the seagull just as I would have liked to be, not as the bird would have liked, but he has given it what she'd